More FIR details that's coming out in the Delhi fire tragedy that we've accessed. FIR really hinting at a big oxygen cylinder racket. FIR says 27 cylinders have been found inside as well as the outside of that building, and that's a massive number, much above the legal limit. 5 oxygen cylinders found broken at the spot. The FIR also states the baby care owner, Naveen Kibchi, and his associates committed a crime by not making proper arrangements for the safety of the hospital and the inmates, putting lives of the newborn in danger. Glasses of nearby houses have also been shattered right after the cylinder blast. While fighting the fire in the building, same material, what we hear is that a lot of inflammable material fell in the ITI college area, the building nearby, which also caused the fire to escalate. A scooty and a van also caught fire in the process. Sneha Mardani, who is also with us, we also have our Indoja for more on that. Sneha, over to you first. We hear FIR details emerging that clearly shows many oxygen cylinders were placed there, much above the legal limit, and that could have really fanned the blaze.
Really, and that's what could have led to the tragedy escalating to this level. I'm going to show you the pictures once again, Nabila. Even as we are standing right across the road, here are the pictures of the hospital you see on your screen right now. This is the hospital, the building with the spiral staircase is the hospital. What used to be a nursing home that was in a position to accommodate only 5 babies, had 12 in its care. A heart-rending encounter that I had, and we'll put out that for our viewers as well, with one Amjad Chaudhary, whose 12-day-old baby was recuperating in this hospital. He said day after day, the baby care required up to 12 to 15,000 rupees, and so far in the last 12 days, he's spent about over a lakh rupees. What he got was the charred remains of his baby from Delhi's GTB hospital, where the children were then taken for emergency care after this nursing home caught fire. The tragedy of this is, Nabila, is that this was just so avoidable. Had there been fire extinguishers, had there been no violations, had the nursing home been doing what it was supposed to do, and it breaks my heart to say this, that it was supposed to keep these children alive. I'll tell you why. Because the children here were receiving special medical care. There were children who were unwell, who were in a serious condition. And these were the children who required special medical care. The doctor on duty, who's also been arrested, was not equipped. In fact, Amjad Chaudhary, the father of one of the victims, a 12-day-old baby, who's just buried his baby, by the way, told me that each time he would come to the hospital, they would ask him to submit an amount to even gain entry to the hospital. And he said that each time the hospital kept on saying that the child is going to be cleared of an infection. That's a procedure that we will follow very soon. But for 12 days, they weren't doing it, is what is being said by the father of one of the victims here, the 12-day-old baby, who is receiving special care. This hospital, this nursing home, was referred to one of the patients from another nursing home where the baby was born. 7 bodies were taken away. Parents, some of them living in Bulandshahr, many of them in the nearby vicinity, in the vicinity of East Delhi. And all that they're wanting now is that answers from the government as to why this could have not been avoided. The license had expired, the NOC was not there, fire extinguishers were not there, there was no emergency exit. How was that there were so many oxygen cylinders? And I'll show you them once again in a moment from now, because right now the forensics are in fact involved in their work. But how is that storing was allowed? I'm being told by some eyewitnesses that always right at the entrance of the nursing home, there was an ambulance, and that there was some process which was underway of transferring oxygen from a big cylinder to smaller cylinders. One cylinder, let me tell you, and I'll ask Mahesh to just pick up the camera and also pan it a little, is that one cylinder, when the explosion happened, there were 7 explosions. One cylinder fell there. The other one fell right behind this wall. If Mahesh can show you those pictures, this pinkish orangish wall that you see. One fell where I am right now, is what I'm being told by some eyewitnesses. And the magnitude and the intensity of the blast was such that there were 7 cylinders that exploded. Even as we speak, the electrical departments is
That's
working.
really shocking. From what we hear, with the FIR details also clearly showing that they had much above the limit. The number of cylinders that were kept there were much above the legal allowance. Let me cut to Arvind Oja, who's in fact brought us this breaking news with the FIR details, the inside story of what went behind this. Arvind, यहाँ पर जो cylinders उन्होंने रखा है, 27 ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स जो इलीगल है, इतने सारे रखने के लिए उनके पास परमिशन नहीं था, उनका हॉस्पिटल के लिए लाइसेंस नहीं था, उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस डॉक्टर्स नहीं थे. जैसे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है और सारी इलीगैलिटीज यहां पर बाहर आ रहे हैं, इन्होंने जो दिल्ली हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री है, इनका जो हॉस्पिटल को बंद क्यों नहीं किया पहले से ही?
देखिए, जब ये इंसिडेंट हुआ उसके बाद तुरंत ये एफआईआर लॉन्च की गई, जिसमें जो दिल्ली पुलिस के ऑफिसर्स ने ही खुलासा किया, जो स्पॉट पर गया था, कि बिल्डिंग के अंदर और बाहर 27 जो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर है वो रिकवर हुए हैं, जबकि 5 जो सिलेंडर स्पॉट पर थे वो फटे हुए मिले. इंसिडेंट के बाद की है, लेकिन इसमें जो बड़ी बात लिखी हुई है वो खुद पुलिस ऑफिसर ने लिखी हुई है कि जो बेबी केयर सेंटर का ऑनर है नवीन खींची और उसके साथियों ने बेबी केयर सेंटर में कोई भी ऐसा उचित प्रबंध नहीं किया था और उसकी वजह से जो बेबीज थे उनकी जान को खतरा हुआ, उन्होंने अपराध किया. उसके बाद अलग अलग सेक्शंस एफआईआर में लॉन्च की गई है और कल आई विटनेस ने सबसे पहले इंडिया टुडे पर यह बताया था कि जो वहां पर ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर रखे हुए थे उसकी रिफिलिंग होती थी इलीगल वे में. तो लोकल पुलिस को इस ओर भी ध्यान देना चाहिए था और जो 31 मार्च तक इस बेबी केयर सेंटर की जो परमिशन है, नर्सिंग होम की परमिशन है, वो खत्म हो गई थी. यानी इलीगल वे में ये पूरा नर्सिंग होम चल रहा था, न फायर की एनओसी थी. उसके अलावा और तो और छोड़िए, नर्सिंग होम के अंदर अगर इलीगल वे में ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर की रिफिलिंग होती है तो ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा अपराध है और शायद यही वजह है कि अलग से सेक्शंस ऐड किए गए हैं. 304 और 308 दोनों जो डॉक्टर है, चाहे अगर बेबी केयर के ऑनर की बात करें नवीन खींची, उसको भी अरेस्ट किया है और उस दौरान जो ड्यूटी पर डॉक्टर था आकाश, उसको भी अरेस्ट किया है. कुछ देर बाद दोनों को कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा. लेकिन इस पूरे केस में चाहे नर्सिंग होम की बात की जाए, पूरी तरह से इलीगलिटी सामने दिख रही है. यहां तक कि जो नर्सिंग होम था यही फर्जी था.
Arvind, thanks very much for joining us with those details. As Arvind clearly says, that the hospital itself was running illegally as they had no license.